Well, hello and good morning to episode 21 of Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelet Series. In today's episode, we're going to make a Philly Cheesesteak Omelette. How we're going to do it? We have our shaved beef, a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic, bacon fat, provolone cheese, 2 jumbo eggs, and of course 2 tablespoons of butter. What I'm going to do to start is I'm going to chop up the shaved beef, heat the frying pan, put the bacon fat, about a tablespoon, maybe less, with the minced garlic, brown up the meat, put the cheese on top, start the omelet, make it all together for a nice Philly cheesesteak breakfast omelet. Let's get started. Okay, since I'm cooking in a cast iron skillet, not a griddle, I'm going to chop up the meat. Before I put it in the pan. It's broken up pretty well. Give it... And that'll do it. Now I'll heat up the pan and saute the garlic a little bit. Okay, I'm heating up the pan, and I'm going to take roughly a little more than a tablespoon of the bacon fat. And when this renders down, I'm going to put the garlic in and get everything started. In the meantime, I am going to try to do this in one shot. I'm going to crack the eggs. Again, only 2 jumbo eggs. No shells. And wait for everything to get ready. Oh, it looks like the bacon fat is already rendered down. Let's zoom in on the bacon fat. Ooh, bacon fat. All right, now we'll take the garlic. And get that started. I'm just going to let it caramelize the garlic a little bit and then add the meat. While I'm caramelizing the garlic, I'm going to melt the butter for the omelet. As you can see, the garlic is nice and toasty. And now I'm going to add the chopped beef into the frying pan. I'm going to spread it out in the pan, let it cook on one side, and then I'm going to flip it over and chop it some more. Okay, the meat is almost browned on one side. I'm going to add the melted butter into the 2 jumbo eggs. Get them nice and frothy. And go straight to the bowl. Doing this off camera, sorry. Because the meat's just about time to So the meat's ready to turn. I put the omelet in the other pan. I'm going to dome it up. And now I'm going to flip my meat. So this is going to be nice and medium rare. Have a lot of flavor from the bacon fat and the garlic. This might be enough meat for 2 omelets. And now I'm just going to let that brown a little bit off the flame. Okay, while it's cooking from the radiant heat of the pan, I'm going to add 2 slices of provolone cheese. Actually, let me try to get it to an omelet style portion. Put the 2 slices on, 1, 2, and dome that up too. Okay, let's check on the egg pancakes for the omelet. I think I can turn it with my brand new spatula. Thank you very much for finally delivering, Amazon. Okay, so looks perfect. Now I'm going to take this lovely Philly cheesesteak mixture and put it right into the omelet. See how the cheese is ooey gooey and melty? Now I'm going to attempt to close the omelet early. Nice, nice. And now I'm going to just dome it up to let it finish cooking. Okay, that's looking beautiful. See all that gooey provolone? I don't even think I need to flip it today. Let's just plate it up. Okay, now I'm going to plate it up. Hopefully not losing any of this gooey richness. And there you have it. A wonderful Philly cheesesteak omelet. And I'm going to take a bite. Now I'm going in for a second bite. Ooh, gooey richness. Well, I know what I'm having for breakfast. Hope you have a great day.